This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Hallelujah. I want to talk to you about pillow talk. Pillow talk. Peel off your inner letdowns, losses, and woes. I want to invite you to our workshop, our first workshop this year, and it won't be the last one. Come where you can peel off those things that are holding you back. Hallelujah. You can deal with your inner letdowns, your losses, the lies that they've told you. Hallelujah. The obstacles that are become mountains in your way. Hallelujah. And the woes. Woe is me. We have some strategies, key strategies that can help pull you out of the doldrums. We have some corresponding scriptures that'll go with it. So come and join us. November the 11th, it'll be live on TikTok from 11 to 1. And also we will be physically at 116-800 Imperial Valley Drive in the area of Greens Point in Houston, Texas. Stay tuned and drop a comment below if you're interested, and I'll get you more information. Bless you.